What's going on, world? This is Kicks Matters coming live from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I know I've been gone for a minute. It's probably been about 2 years since I've done a Kicks Talk and been active on my Kicks Matter channel. But it's all about to change. I moved. I came from Charlotte, North Carolina. I moved back home to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So, you know, I've still been collecting over the years, and it's hot out here today too. I've still been collecting over the years, so this Kicks Talk, this episode is going to be about the Jordan 5 Bel Air. Now, the Jordan 5 has been one of my favorite Jordans since I was a little kid, you know, since I think the Jordan 5 released in 1988, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe 89. No. 90. Yeah, 1990. I'm thinking about the 3. So 3 and 4. So 1990 was a pivotal year. I was a B out here. I hate bees. So what you gonna do, brother? Don't get up out of here. Okay. So 1990. Well, I'm 10 years old. A lot of artists are wearing, like music artists, celebrities. You know, Jordan's getting more popular. You know, he's doing some amazing things on the court. You know what I'm saying? He's doing amazing things off the court. You know, as far as like commercials and all that. So Jordan 5. What's this? 20? Was it? I can't remember. 2013, 2014. Came out with this nasty colorway. It was gray. They said this was dedicated to Fresh Prince of Bel Air. I said, what? Yeah, he did used to rock the 5s. He loved the 5s. Like he made the 5s popular with his show Fresh Prince of Bel Air. So I've always been a 5. I'm rocking 5s right now. You know what I'm saying? See, you gotta be fresh all times. Kicks Matters. So I don't even wear them like that, because I be scared to mess them up. But you gotta wear your kicks. Remember to wear your kicks. But I also got a OG Kicks Matter t-shirt on too, for all those who have been, who've been around since 2012. So before we get this started, we're gonna show these off. We're gonna do a comparison of Bel Air 5s from 2014, which I'm looking at the date when I look into the shoe. And the 2020 version, we're going to do a comparison, so 1 second. These are the 2 pairs. I hope y'all can see them. Now I'm going to start with the OG pair of the Jordan 5 Bel Airs, which was the gray Jordans. Now, these are the gray ones. I changed the shoelaces on the 2. And also a special thing about these, I got DJ Clark Kent signed my box. Y'all don't know who DJ Clark Kent is. He's very big in the sneaker community. If you watch any documentary about sneakers, that man is on there. He had a couple shoes with Nike. I believe he was Jay's. He had a couple. He produced a couple tracks on Reasonable Doubt, and I also think he was Jay-Z's DJ. He signed my box in Chicago. You know what I'm saying? I keep this box. You know what I'm saying? Just no matter how far I was getting with Kicks Matters. So that's just a big up to me. This is going to be a notch in my book of Kicksterdom that I made it. You know what I'm saying? So. Shout out to DJ Clark Kent, wherever you at. Kicks Matters is coming back, and we're gonna come stronger than ever. I'm building my team right now, and we're gonna hit the pavement hard, harder than I did before. So we're gonna have fun. So DJ Clark Kent, what up? All the way out in New York. So this is the Jordan 5 Bel Air. This is the first one. So I can check the date now. So if y'all want to know when the date of when the shoe was made, It's always inside the little white tab. So this was produced in 2013. I was a year off. So 2013, dang, it's been around that long. 2013, I stood in line for these for 15 hours. Me and Kicks Matter Carl, what up Carl, my bro Carl. Todd from MSX, he came out there and brought us some pizza. I'm gonna put the picture somewhere, either up there, over there, down there somewhere. So this is I stood in line 15 hours. I was the first one there. This one it wasn't no raffles, and it was raffles, but you pretty much had to camp out for things. So I camped out for these, me and my homeboys and about 30 other people, but I was first in line, so I got the first pair. My homeboy Carl got the second pair. A lot of people came out and supported us that night, you know what I'm saying? They thought it was crazy. And I went right to work after that. At COA, all my people out in the COA. I went right to work after that. So this had a gray upper, very colorful. I love colors. See that, and then I just, you know, to show that drip, you know, I changed out they had original black shoelaces in there. I never had the black shoelaces in there. I don't even know if I got them in here still. I don't. I must have tossed it because I knew I wasn't never gonna wear them. So this is that pair. I love them. They dope. I love the colors. They're gray. It's just something special about this shoe. When I seen it, I instantly fell in love with it. This is a dope shoe. Now, this is the 2013 pair. Let's look at the 2020 pair. 2020 pair, just released maybe, a week or two ago, maybe a week ago. Already came with the shoelaces. I had to go buy these, but they already knew. So, but when I finally wear these, when I unds them, I'm gonna put these in there. I just like bright colors, so just get that 90s feel. They both got that inside the guts. They all got that pattern in there that's you know, from the 90s. If you're a 90s baby, you was born in the 80s, was raised in the 90s. So this is just a homage back to the 90s with all these colors. I love these colors. I like color. I'm a colorful guy. I like the colors. So this is the 2020 pair, 2013 pair. Now the difference between the two is that the 2020 pair has leather. The 2013 pair was more of a nubuck gray, but you know, it was kind of, I don't know, it's kind of different. But the 2020 pair is leather. It had an all-white upper. Still got the clear, translucent vent on the side and at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even, usually I do my Fat Joe thing, lick the bottom. This is just a dope shoe. It's a shoe that I wouldn't wear it every day. Probably wouldn't even bring it out during the winter time. Probably have it on nice until the summer. You know how people be now, they'll wear them into the ground and they looking terrible by September, October. So no, mine gonna be looking fresh just like my other ones. I love 5s. That's one of my favorites. But stay tuned to more sneaker reviews. Stay tuned. More Kicks Talk, just talking about just sneakers in general. Not even all hype shoes. If you're a real Kicks lover, you real sneakerhead, you real sneaker enthusiast, you collect all different kinds of sneakers. They don't care about what the hype. It don't gotta be the Kanye. It ain't gotta be the Travis Scotts. It don't gotta be whatever, you know what I'm saying, it is. Like even right now, turning your sneakers into a business as well, it's very lucrative. A lot of sneakers is worth more than gold. Bars of gold. Like, it's an investment. So, and it's also a timestamp of things, of history. 1990 came, the original shoe release, they only had like a couple colors. They didn't have a plethora of colors like they did then. Michael Jordan did great things, won 6 championships, retired, you know what I'm saying, inspired many. Tinker, who probably was one of the ones that designed this shoe, one of the greatest architects of our time, along with other designers that was at Nike. When Tinker, you're gonna look him up if you're interested in sneaker design. Look up Tinker Hartsfield. He one of the dopest ever did. The Back to the Future shoes, these, the Bo Jackson, 95 Air Max, 90 Air Max, Air Max 1s. There's so many under his belt. But also too, looking at the box. I was just looking at the box. This the new box. I mean, to get off track, the new box has Nike Air on it with the actual OG Nike sign with the Air at the bottom. This one got the OG Jordan sign with the Air at the bottom. I think this kind of would have been doper if they would have put Nike Air in the back and had it multiple colors. I think that would have been real. I think that would have took it to another level. But this is still a dope shoe to have. I know these are still doing numbers because I think these was more easier to get than these were, because there wasn't a whole bunch of internet action on it. So it was like you had to be there. You know. So stay tuned. This Kicks Matters. This is a Kicks Talk. Subscribe to me at Kicks Matters on Instagram, Twitter, and also on YouTube. Subscribe somewhere down there. Stay tuned and comment comment below which one do you feel is better. Do you like the 2020 version better, or do you like the 2013 version better? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned. Also leave comments if you want to see me talk about something, or you want me to interview you about your sneaker obsession, your kicks, why kicks matter to you. So why kicks matter to you? Let me know. Subscribe to me. Stay tuned. Watch for the apparel coming soon. I'm taking over. Kicks matter. Peace out. Hey, stay safe. Stay blessed. Shalom.